Every night, you enter a universe more real than reality itself. A place where time bends, walls vanish, and anything you imagine becomes true. Yet most people sleep through it. You've been handed godlike power, and you snooze past it, oblivious. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 scientifically backed techniques that will help you take conscious control of your dreams, possibly as soon as tonight. No expensive courses, no supplements, just methods that have helped thousands of people, including myself, unlock what I call the ultimate playground of consciousness. Let me start with something most people don't realize. Lucid dreaming isn't some rare spiritual gift reserved for monks or mystics. It's a natural state of consciousness that you've probably already experienced. I spent 2 years trying every technique out there, and what I discovered is that lucid dreaming isn't about forcing something unnatural to happen. It's about recognizing a reality you're already in every single night. Let me break down the 5 steps that transformed my dream life. And honestly, my waking life too. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You're unconscious most of the day. You drive to work on autopilot, scroll through your phone without thinking, go through the motions like a zombie. If you can't be present during the day, your brain won't suddenly become aware at night. Your dreams are just a reflection of your waking consciousness. Ancient Buddhist monks called this mindfulness, the practice of waking up to the present moment. Every reality check you do during the day is like planting a seed in your subconscious. Do it enough times, and eventually you'll do it in a dream. And when you do, everything changes. Here's what you do. 5 to 10 times throughout your day, stop whatever you're doing and ask yourself, am I dreaming right now? But don't just ask it, actually investigate. Do these 3 reality checks. Look at your hands. Count your fingers. In dreams, they're often distorted or there are too many. Try to push your finger through your palm. In dreams, it passes right through. Read some text, look away, and read it again. In dreams, text changes or becomes gibberish. The key is to genuinely question your reality each time. Feel the weight of the question. Because here's the thing. If you do this half-heartedly during the day, you'll do it half-heartedly in your dreams too. I remember the first time this worked for me. I was in a dream, walking through my old high school, and something felt off. I looked at my hands out of pure habit, because I'd been doing reality checks for 3 weeks, and I had 7 fingers. The moment I realized I was dreaming, the entire hallway became ultra high definition, like someone cranked up the resolution of reality. That's the moment everything clicked. Most people have 5 to 7 dreams every single night and remember 0 of them. It's like having an entire parallel life that you're completely disconnected from. You can't become lucid in a dream if you don't even remember you had one. Your dreams are messages from your subconscious mind, your inner wisdom trying to communicate with you. When you ignore them, you're essentially hanging up on yourself. Dream journaling is the practice of honoring that inner voice. And the more you honor it, the louder it becomes. Keep a journal or your phone right next to your bed. The moment you wake up, and I mean immediately, before you check your phone or move, write down everything you remember, even if it's just fragments. Blue room, someone was chasing me, felt anxious. Don't judge what you write. Don't try to make it make sense. Just capture it. Do this every single morning for 2 weeks, and I promise you'll start remembering multiple dreams per night. Your brain learns that dreams matter, so it starts prioritizing them. Here's the secret bonus. As you read back through your journal, you'll start noticing patterns, recurring symbols, people, or themes. These are your dream signs. Once you know your personal dream signs, you can train yourself to recognize them as triggers. Wait, my teeth are falling out again. I must be dreaming. For me, water was my dream sign. I kept having dreams about oceans, rivers, swimming pools. Once I noticed this pattern, the next time I was standing in front of a massive wave in a dream, something clicked. This is my dream sign. I'm dreaming. Instant lucidity. Here's something the lucid dreaming community doesn't always tell beginners. The first few hours of sleep are not ideal for lucid dreams. Your REM cycles, the stage where vivid dreams happen, are short and shallow early in the night. By morning, your REM periods are longer and more intense, which means your dreams are more vivid and easier to become lucid in. This technique is about working with your body's natural rhythms rather than against them. It's the same principle yogis use. Consciousness follows energy. When you strategically interrupt your sleep, you create a bridge between waking awareness and the dream state. WBTB stands for Wake Back to Bed, and it's devastatingly effective. Here's how it works. Set an alarm for 5 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. When it goes off, get out of bed. Fully wake up for 20-30 minutes. This is crucial. Don't just roll over. Get up, walk around, read about lucid dreaming, review your dream journal, maybe do a reality check. Then, go back to bed with the clear intention. The next scene will be a dream, and I will realize I'm dreaming. As you're falling asleep, visualize yourself becoming lucid. See yourself doing a reality check and realizing you're in a dream. When you fall back asleep, you drop almost immediately into REM sleep, and your brain is primed with lucid awareness. This is the sweet spot. The first time I tried WBTB, I woke up at 5 a.m., stayed up reading about lucid dreaming for 30 minutes while drinking some water, then went back to bed. Within what felt like minutes, I was in a dream walking through a city, and I just knew I was dreaming. I didn't even need to do a reality check. The awareness was already there, loaded from my wake period. Your consciousness doesn't turn off when you fall asleep. It just changes channels. WBTB lets you keep one foot in both worlds. Your subconscious mind is like a computer running programs you installed years ago, most of them without your permission. If you want to lucid dream, you need to install a new program. I recognize when I'm dreaming. The problem is, most people try to force this with willpower, and willpower doesn't work on the subconscious. This is the ancient practice of intention setting, used by shamans and spiritual practitioners for millennia. Your last thoughts before sleep are the seeds you plant in your subconscious garden. What you focus on before sleep becomes what you experience during sleep. MILD stands for Mnemonic Induction of Lucid Dreams. Sounds complicated, but it's simple. As you're lying in bed, about to fall asleep, you do 3 things. Recall your last dream. Play it back in your mind like a movie. Find a dream sign in that dream, something unusual or impossible. In that dream, I was back in high school even though I'm 30. Imagine yourself back in that same dream, but this time, you notice the dream sign and realize you're dreaming. Visualize this vividly. See yourself saying, "I'm dreaming." Feel the excitement. Then repeat a simple phrase. Next time I'm dreaming, I will realize I'm dreaming. Say it with conviction, like you're making a promise to yourself. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes as you drift off. The key is the emotion behind it. You're not just reciting words, you're programming a deep intention. I had been doing mild for about a week when I had a dream about missing a flight. In the dream, I was running through an airport that kept changing shape. Suddenly, I remembered. Wait, I've been setting the intention to recognize when I'm dreaming. The moment I had that thought, I looked around and everything clicked. The airport was impossible. I was dreaming. That intention I'd been setting every night had finally loaded in. Here's what nobody tells beginners. Getting lucid is only half the battle. The moment most people realize they're dreaming, they get so excited that they wake up immediately. It's like finally getting on stage to perform and then forgetting all your lines. You need techniques to stabilize the dream and extend the experience. This is about grounding. Just like in meditation, when your mind wanders and you need to return to your breath, in lucid dreams, you need an anchor to keep you present in the dream world. Stability comes from engaging your senses. The moment you realize you're dreaming, do not get excited and try to fly off into space. That's a rookie mistake. Instead, immediately do one of these stabilization techniques. Rub your hands together vigorously. Feel the friction, the texture, the warmth. This grounds you in the sensory experience of the dream. Spin around like a child. As you spin, tell yourself, the next scene will be vivid and stable. This tricks your brain into generating a fresh, clear dream scene. Look at the ground and study it. Look at the details of the floor, the grass, the texture. Focusing on small details stabilizes the dream. Verbally command the dream. Clarity now, or increase lucidity. Sounds weird, but your subconscious responds to direct commands. Once the dream feels stable, then you can explore. Fly, walk through walls, ask dream characters profound questions. The dream world is yours. In my early lucid dreams, I'd realize I was dreaming, immediately try to fly, and wake up within seconds. I was so frustrated. Then I learned the hand-rubbing technique. The next time I got lucid, I forced myself to stop, rub my hands together for 10 seconds, and look around slowly. The dream became crystal clear, more vivid than waking life. I spent what felt like 20 minutes exploring. That's when I understood. Patience in the dream extends the dream. Here's the mind-blowing truth. The more lucid dreams you have, the more you start questioning waking reality too. You begin to realize that this reality, the one you're in right now watching this video, operates on agreements and beliefs, just like the dream world does. Lucid dreaming isn't just about controlling your dreams. It's about waking up to the nature of consciousness itself. So let's bring this home. You now have 5 powerful tools. 1. Reality testing throughout your day to build awareness. 2. Dream journaling to strengthen your dream memory and find your personal dream signs. 3. The WBTB technique to hit those optimal REM windows. 4. Mild to program your subconscious with intention. And 5. Stabilization techniques to extend your lucid dreams once you're in them. This isn't about escaping reality. It's about expanding your consciousness into territories you've been ignoring your entire life. 8 hours a night, every night, you have access to a dimension where the only limits are the ones you believe in. But here's what I really want you to understand. Lucid dreaming is a practice of presence. The awareness you cultivate at night will bleed into your days. You'll start noticing beauty you've overlooked, questioning assumptions you've accepted, and living with more intentionality. Remember, tonight, when you go to sleep, you're not checking out of reality, you're entering another one. The question is, will you be awake for it? I'll see you in the dream.